Welcome to the world of Veymax, where innovation meets excitement. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to our latest creation, the Cejour, a portable electric skateboard that will revolutionize your ride. The Cejour is designed with you in mind, offering unparalleled convenience and performance. Let's dive into its remarkable features. First up, the Cejour boasts a mighty 110W hub motor, ensuring exceptional torque and speed. Say goodbye to sluggish rides and hello to thrilling acceleration. Powering this beast is a Samsung 21700 battery, taking efficiency, power, and range to a whole new level. Get ready to cover more ground with confidence. Thanks to its 90mm shock-absorbing wheels, the Cejour offers a smooth and comfortable riding experience. Bumpy roads, no problem. With a top speed of 28 mph or 45 kph, the Cejour responds with precision and finesse. Experience the thrill of the wind rushing through your hair. Travel unimpeded with Cejour. Now you can lift your electric skateboard at any time. Worried about running out of juice? The Cejour offers a range of up to 18 miles. Say goodbye to range anxiety and explore new horizons. Stay in control with the LED digital display remote. Stay informed and keep track of your ride with ease. The Cejour's premium deck is the perfect combination of durability and flexibility, giving you a comfortable and secure platform to ride on. With a 30% hill grade capability, the Cejour conquers steep inclines with ease. Take your adventures to new heights. In summary, the Cejour by Veymax is your ticket to a thrilling and convenient ride. With its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, and safety features, it's time to upgrade your journey. Don't miss out on the future of electric skateboarding, Cejour, where innovation meets adventure. Get ready to experience the future of transportation. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from Veymax. Thanks for watching.